Hello, Sealy Clark here, doing a quick video on how to log back into your traffic exchanges when you are tab surfing multiple manual traffic exchanges. Now, this is with the given that you already have your usernames and passwords either set aside and already programmed in, or your auto remember, whatever the heck they call it in Gmail or wherever, whatever browser you use, poops it out here when you go to each exchange. So let's say you wander off and do something and you're away from your manual traffic exchanges and you left them up such as this. But when you go back, you hit home or you hit this button and it bebops you out. And it's a pain kind of in the hind end to do them one at a time. So instead of going through all that, there's a bit quicker way that I just found out of sheer impatience one day. I was just feeling sassy and just started beating on stuff. So what you're going to do, of course, if you have a Windows computer, left hand side of your keyboard, bottom left key is Control. Third from the top, left key is Tab. That's how you switch tabs quickly. And if you're not familiar with that, of course, I have another video somewhere in YouTube about that. Feel free to watch it. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the good old refresh button, and you're going to hit refresh. Control Tab, refresh, Control Tab, refresh. Oh, some of them have that. You go continue, Control Tab, refresh, Control Tab. What this is doing, I have 40 exchanges open and I don't want to frig around. I'm hitting refresh, Control Tab on each one of these and I'm flying through them. Some of them are going to kick you out to the login page, which is fine. Some do, some don't, no worries. Once you go through this, some of them will refresh to the actual surf window. Some of them will not. So then the ones that don't, you hit login, and oftentimes they go right back to the surf window, which is kind of a quirk of some, not all, manual traffic exchanges. So, and that's what you're going to do. And if not, you're going to log in. No, right to that one, log in. That last one with the surf bar, so did this. Control Tab, log in, log in. And a lot of these are, in fact, going to the surf window. So that kind of skips a step. Now, not all of them are going to be that way, depending on the software and so on and so forth, however these are designed. There might be a little lag depending on your live videos are awesome, internet connection. And some of them have like hit to hit and whatnot, has a little bit different script, so it doesn't quite do it. And you start surfing, you move right along. This one really doesn't have, Click Voyager is very low maintenance. So then you go along, log in, log in. That one's just flat out already refreshed. Great. Skip that one. Log in. I'm going to do this real quick for all of them. I can run in my face so you get the idea already. Log in. Well, that one has a one-time offer. What I usually do is fly through them. I just hit the login button. Control Tab. Login, Control Tab. Login, Control Tab. You get the idea. YouTube music video. Soundtrack. Me. Da, 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 da. Had an energy drink and narrating my own YouTube. No need to add aftermarket music. And hopefully you're chuckling at that. If not, well, now we can still be friends. So anyway, certain ones have login stuff, and I went back to, and you can go back to roughly where you started with that stuff. Oh, okay. That was a login. You hit surf. Skip that. Hit surf, review ads. That one's already done. That one's on your surf window. That one's already in the surf window. That one's already in the surf window. You check them, make sure they're in the surf windows. If they're not, you hit the old surf button. There we go. This one isn't surf. Yeah, that one is. That one is. Yeah, that one is. Okay. And one-time offer. Marty's sites are sometimes kind of fancy. This one had a login. List surfing delivers a metric butt ton of traffic, by the way, which is super cool. You hit surfing. So now, if you look, it is 4 minutes in, and usually something would take you 8, 10 minutes to do, one at a time. Going to find your username, login, grabbing all your websites and opening them in your tabs. Instead, you can just leave them up, walk away, come back and do that. So that's 40 exchanges here, roughly, in 4 minutes. And it didn't even, would probably take less time if I weren't running my face hole to you about how to do it. Anyway, that's it for now. Yet again, that was how to quickly log back into multiple manual traffic exchanges when you're tab surfing them. Don't forget to make all things happy here on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me a comment. Give me a shout out. Tell me I'm a dork. Whatever tilts your kilts. And until next time, just remember, be yourself, help others, never quit. Bye-bye.